Hi, I'm Margaret. Today's recipe has been suggested by Melissa from One Hot Bite. She wanted to see me make these little thumbprint cookies. They really are a simple little biscuit and perfect if you want a biscuit in a hurry. All we need to do is cream the butter and the sugar together, add the egg and fold in the flour. And really, that's it. Using a mixer at the start will make the process even easier. Let's make sure that there's no mixture left on the edges of the bowl. And then in with the flour, and then I'm going to fold it. It's always good to fold in flour. There, that's about it. Next I'm going to shape them into little balls, about the size of a cherry tomato. And just to make them even nicer, I've chopped up some walnuts and I've got some desiccated coconut as well, just to give them a nice crunch and a bit of a different flavour. I'm just rolling them around in the bowl, which seems to get them nicely covered. So this is why they're called thumbprint cookies. We want a nice little indent in the top of each one, so we can pop our favourite bit of jam inside. And once they're baked, they're gorgeous. Thanks so much for joining me today. Lovely to have you as always. Take care, and I'll see you soon.